Welcome to Clever Mum, your ultimate guide to smart, healthy living. Let's dive into tips that transform meal prep into a joyful, empowering habit. Imagine saving hours each week, whipping up healthy meals effortlessly, and feeling confident about feeding your family. Ready to learn the secrets? Let's go. Welcome to the ultimate guide to batch cooking. Imagine this. Opening your fridge and seeing colourful, ready-to-eat meals that save you time and stress. No more wondering what's for dinner or rushing to order takeout. Batch cooking is your answer to simplifying life, turning chaos into calm in the kitchen. So picture dedicating a Sunday afternoon to roasting vibrant veggies, simmering hearty stews, and prepping grab-and-go snacks. The result? A week of hassle-free meals that nourish your body and family. It's not just about saving time, it's about creating balance and confidence in your daily routine. Imagine coming home and heating a warm, homemade curry in seconds instead of hours. That's time you gain to do the things you love, whether it's reading a bedtime story, catching up with friends, or practicing self-care. The perks don't stop there. Batch cooking lets you cut back on waste, stretch your grocery budget, and eat healthier than ever. Forget bland meals. Instead, think flavor-packed, fresh food that everyone in the house will adore. From creamy soups to vibrant salads, batch cooking makes every meal feel special. Stick with me, your guide to unlocking these life-changing habits. Let's talk real challenges. After a long day, cooking can feel impossible. You're juggling work, errands and homework, and dinner. It's the last thing you want to think about. That's where batch cooking steps in. No more giving in to expensive takeout or wrestling with spoiled veggies at week's end. Instead, picture setting aside a couple of hours on the weekend. Your kitchen becomes a symphony of bubbling soups, roasting veggies, and maybe even baking a tray of family favourite muffins. Batch cooking isn't about perfection, it's about preparation. It'll save your evenings and your sanity. With an organised fridge and prepped meals, you can skip the stress and focus on what matters. Bonding with the kids over family dinners, or sneaking a few quiet moments for yourself after the kids are in bed. Not to mention, it helps you stick to healthier routines, whether it's reducing takeout or sneaking more greens into everyone's plates. Imagine your kids grabbing a perfectly portioned homemade snack instead of reaching for processed junk. It's time to get rid of the chaos and claim control of your kitchen, meals, and life. Batch cooking may feel like a big adjustment at first, but don't worry, I'll show you step by step how to make it second nature. Okay, let's break batch cooking into 3 simple steps. Step 1. Choose versatile recipes. Think hearty soups, pasta sauces or grain bowls that can do double duty, like school lunches one day and dinner the next. Step 2. Schedule prep time like an appointment. Treat it as self-care. It's a gift to yourself and your family. Step 3. Use tools wisely. Invest in sharp knives, quality pans, and airtight containers. They're game changers for efficiency. Now, make it fun. Multitask by roasting veggies while slow cooking protein or boiling grains. You'll find yourself breezing through meal prep in no time. And don't forget storage. Keep it simple but strategic. Freezer-safe containers, individual portions, and clear labeling will make future meals grab and go easy. Think of meals like grilled chicken. One day it's paired with roasted veggies, the next it's turned into a wrap or added to a salad. This is smart cooking, not boring cooking. You'll not only save time prepping, but delight everyone with variety. And the best part, you claim extra hours to focus on your little ones, enjoy hobbies, or simply exhale. Prep smarter, not harder, and I promise you'll never look at weeknight dinners the same way again. Here's where creativity shines, customizing batch cooking for your family. Whether it's keto, vegan, or picky eater friendly, the possibilities are endless. Start exploring global flavors. Amuse the kids with Korean-inspired bibimbap bowls or a sprinkle of Mediterranean love with fresh hummus and roasted pita. Add little details that excite the whole family, like bright herbs for freshness or crunchy seeds for texture. And here's the thing, batch cooking simplifies life without taking away the joy of food. Picture a fridge stocked with vibrant jars and containers, your very own treasure chest of deliciousness. Need breakfast? Grab chia pudding with fresh fruit. Packing lunch? Toss together prepped salads, dressings, and proteins in minutes. It's not just about saving time, it's about savoring moments. A healthier, smoother routine will spill over into your day, not just reducing stress, but giving your family meals they'll look forward to. Batch cooking is your gift to happier mornings, more connected dinner times, and peace of mind. Pretty soon you'll realize it's more than a habit, it's a household tradition. Wait, don't forget to click subscribe to Clever Mum's Kitchen.